Let's learn in this video how you can remove the app limit restrictions on Sidestore and install any number of IPA files on iPhone. We're gonna install the LiveContainer on iPhone to do this. So make sure that you have the STOS VPN. Open it and then connect. Once it's been connected, we'll need the IPA file for LiveContainer. Go to Safari and you're just gonna do a Google search for LiveContainer IPA file. Click on the first link here from GitHub, LiveContainer. Scroll down here, come to releases, click on latest. Scroll down once again, come to assets and click on the LiveContainer IPA and let it download. Once it's been downloaded, go back. Now we're gonna open the Sidestore here, go to app section, tap on plus. Now pick the LiveContainer IPA that you have just downloaded and let it install. LiveContainer has been installed, go to home screen. And it's here, LiveContainer, let's launch it. You're gonna make sure to go to settings firstly and tap on patch Sidestore. I had already patched before, so it shows here patch again, so continue. It will redirect you to Sidestore here and it will refresh, just wait. Now if you launch LiveContainer, it's been patched. Tap on GIT less mode diagnose. It's been successful here. Now go to app section and tap on plus, import the IPA file. Now you can install any number of IPA files without limit. Let's try this one. Also another one. In order to open these apps, you can tap on run for any app. It will launch flawlessly. The biggest drawback of LiveContainer is that you can only launch one app at one time. In order to run another app, you're just gonna close the app here firstly and then go to LiveContainer once again and then run another one. To remove this restriction, you can go to settings and tap on install another LiveContainer. I'm gonna cover that in next video. Like this video and subscribe to this channel.